All right, so in 7.3, we're going to look at the basic counting principles. We have the addition principle and the multiplication principle. So theorem one is our addition principle for counting. So if we have any two sets, A and B, then the number in the union of A and B is going to be the number in A plus the number in B minus the number in the intersection. So when you add two of them together, you just add the two totals and then subtract off where they intersect. Now note if A and B are disjoint, so they're not overlapping Venn diagrams, then the number in A intersect B is zero, and the equation essentially becomes the number in A union B is just the number in A plus the number in B. So if you think about that, if we write that out in a Venn diagram here, if it'll let me get my, here we go. Oh, they have a new animation tool here, I guess. And so what we're going to have is we'll have A and B. And so if they're disjoint, then we just add those to those and we have this. Now this one is in the case where we have an intersection. We have A and we have B. And so then the intersection, we're going to take the whole of A, the whole of B, and then we're going to subtract off that part in the middle. Okay, so that's how that's going to work for adding here. All right, and I guess we have to erase it. Apparently doesn't disappear altogether, so let's clear all drawings. All right, so now let's say here we have the survey in example one, which we don't have here, but that's going to be, it says it indicates that 345 firms offer their employees group life insurance, 285 offer long-term disability insurance, and 115 offer group and long-term. How many firms offer their employees group life insurance or long-term life insurance? So remember, or is the union. And so what we're really looking at is we're looking at the number here. I guess it does offer both here. So the number in the long-term union, the disability. Now, since they have some that overlap, they offer both, we're going to take the number in the long term plus the number in the disability minus the number in the long term intersect the disability. Well, how many is in the long term? Well, long term is going to be, or the group life insurance actually rather, is going to be 345. The disability is 285. And we're going to subtract off 115. And if we do that, that's going to give us 515, I think. Okay. So that's going to be how many firms offer their employees group life insurance or long-term disability insurance. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back with some more.